Hi guys, it's Ed. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Amid escalating tensions in Ukraine, the recent supply of advanced long-range weapons from the United States has emerged as a potential game-changer in the ongoing conflict. As Ukrainian forces receive these cutting-edge tools, hopes are high that they will provide a crucial edge against Russian aggression. This influx of firepower promises to reshape the battlefield dynamics and bolster Ukraine's ability to defend its land.
Striking Russian pressure points deep behind enemy lines has become a near-daily task for Ukraine, and the country's long-range arsenal continues to grow to serve the purpose. Ukraine's latest acquisition, the ground-launched small-diameter bomb, is due for its combat debut any day now. The GLSDB is the brainchild of Boeing and Saab. As its name suggests, it is an attempt to combine the versatility of a ground launcher with the cost efficiency and precision of a small, guided bomb. The warhead is modest, with less than 20 kilograms of explosives. But its 150-kilometer range, high evasiveness, cheap cost, and ability to strike from multiple angles can be harnessed to harass high-value targets in the enemy's rear, without using up expensive Western missiles. Politico reported that the first batch of the new weapons was supposed to arrive in Ukraine as early as January 31st, although the military has yet to confirm. The U.S. first pledged to provide GLSDBs to Ukraine in February 2023. Following the Politico report, Pentagon Press Secretary Pat Ryder confirmed the upcoming delivery, but declined to comment on the timeline due to operational security reasons. The GLSDB is best suited for attacking soft targets, such as arms depots, barracks, logistics nodes, temporary bases. Basically anything that's not heavily protected, experts said. The goal would be to inflict costly losses and force Russian troops to move their supply lines farther from the front. Because the bomb is flexible and quickly deployed, Ukrainian forces can effectively use them to hit time-sensitive targets, like high-ranking officers during their base visits. But whether or not the GLSDB makes a big difference greatly depends on the number of bombs Ukraine will receive from the US, which is currently unclear. Video of a Ukrainian UAV dropping a munition on one of two abandoned and immobilized Russian T-80 BVM OBR 2022 tanks with roof screens and Contact 1 ERA near Nevelsky, Donetsk Oblast. Let's see the Russian side for a bit. Targeting and destruction or damaging of two Ukrainian T-64 BVs equipped with cope cages and camo nets somewhere near Bakhmut by drone-dropped munition. A destroyed M113 APC can be seen next to the second T-64 BV. Two videos showing 4 Russian Fab 500 M62 UMPK bombs dropped on buildings. The videos also give a sense of their accuracy and why they dropped 4 at once. Another use of Indian 155mm shells of increased range ERFB-BT this time, on the 155mm Caesar self-propelled artillery system on the Tatra T-815-7 chassis by Ukrainian 148th Artillery Brigade. The Swedish IFV CV-90, in service with the armed forces of Ukraine, conducts practice shooting at the range. A traumatologist from Moscow left Russia after the start of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Now Andrei Volna treats the Ukrainian military, performing several surgeries a day. I did everything I could for Russia, but Russia chose the fascist path, Andrei Volna says.
Мы хотим настолько, насколько это возможно, принять участие в том, чтобы Украина быстрее победила. Мы живем этой войной, как живут украинцы, и мы перестанем жить этой войной только тогда, когда война закончится на условиях Украины. I feel this collective responsibility because, for example, I was against Putin, but in general, we are Russian citizens, couldn't prevent this type of war. Therefore, I feel this responsibility. Enough with it. I lived in Russia 59 years. I did everything I could for Russia. I thought about European way for Russia. But Russia decided to find fascist way. It's not for me, not for my family.
For the end, U.S. CENTCOM conducts strike killing Kataib Hezbollah senior leader. At 9:30 p.m., Baghdad time, February 7th, U.S. Central Command CENTCOM forces conducted a unilateral strike in Iraq in response to the attacks on U.S. service members, killing a Kataib Hezbollah commander responsible for directly planning and participating in attacks on U.S. forces in the region. There are no indications of collateral damage or civilian casualties at this time. The United States will continue to take necessary action to protect our people. We will not hesitate to hold responsible all those who threaten our forces' safety.
Thank you for watching. Stay with Warthog Defense for more updates on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.